Hey guys, welcome to Initiate Science, where science meets you. If you are new to this channel, then do press the subscribe button and also press the bell icon. This is the Java series. Memory allocation in Java. Java manages its memory and there's no intervention by us. Allocation and deallocation of memory is critical as memory is a vital resource. In Java, JVM and garbage collector takes care of memory management. JVM. JVM and threads define runtime data area used during execution of a program. JVM creates the area and is destroyed when JVM exits. So the area creation is done during instantiation and when it's destroyed when the thread exits or JVM exits. We have heap area, method area, JVM stack, native method stack, and PC registers. Heap area is shared runtime data area allocated for class instances, arrays, and stores actual objects. There exists one and only one heap for a running JVM process. Method area. It is a logical part of heap area created on virtual machine, allocated for class structures, method data, and constructor data. This can be of fixed size or it can be expanded. It need not be contiguous. That is, it need not be continuous. JVM stack. This stores data and partial results created when the thread is created. This can be fixed or dynamic in size, and even this need not be contiguous. Native method stacks, also called C stacks, allocated for each thread. It can be fixed or dynamic in size. PC registers. These stores the address of available JVM instructions. These stores the written address or the native pointers. Next is the garbage collector. This performs allocation or deallocation of memory. Garbage collection is costly and hence several garbage collector algorithms are applied. This process is called garbage collector tuning. Currently, all the garbage collectors are generational. Now let's see how are Java objects stored in memory. All objects are dynamically allocated on heap. This is done using the new method. And an object can be created in two ways, either using string literal or using the new keyword. So in the next video, let's discuss about the input and output formats in Java. More detailed written videos are coming in the Java series, upright from the next video similar to the data structures playlist. So keep watching. Hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get instant updates of the video that we post.